A learning module is an organized collection of content presented together. Inside of a learning module, you will find the same content items that are normally in your courses, such as lecture notes, video clips, links to discussion board forums, and weekly assignments. In this tutorial, I will show you how to navigate through a learning module in order to access your course materials and assignments each week. The learning modules in this course are located under the Learning Modules Weekly Assignment button here. There are 9 modules in this course, and each one contains all of your course materials and assignments. So Module 1 corresponds to the material and assignments due for the first week of class, Module 2 for the second week, and so on. To access the contents within the module, simply click the module link here. Within each module, there is a table of contents that displays a link for each content item in the learning module. You can use these links to navigate from page to page. You can also navigate through the module by clicking the forward and backward arrow buttons located here and here. If you want to adjust the viewing area of the table of contents, you can use the minimize button to collapse it. You can use the maximize button to expand it. And you can also move it from the left of the screen to the bottom of the screen by clicking the downward arrow here. Now that you are familiar with what a module is and how to navigate within the module, let's look at the contents. The first page of each module will contain a brief overview of the week. Next, you have the Learning Objectives page, and then the Procedures page. The Procedures page lists your weekly readings and assignments in the order that your professor would like you to progress through them. It also tells you where to locate the content within the module. So in this particular module, you need to read chapters 1 and 2 in your textbook and view the PowerPoint that goes along with each chapter. And to access the PowerPoint, just click the links here. You also have a discussion board posting, an early entry assignment, a Cengage Now homework assignment, and some Learn Liberty Stossel videos. There are also some supplemental materials that you may want to view if you need additional study resources. These materials are not required and don't count towards your grade. Earlier I stated that you can navigate through each module by clicking on the links in the table of contents. However, if we take a look at the table of contents, you'll notice that there is a link for the discussion board, for the homework assignment, for the Learn Liberty Stossel videos, and for the supplemental materials. However, the early entry assignment is missing. This is because this particular assignment is on adaptive release, which means this material will not be available to you until some other criteria has been met. In this particular case, you must review all of the material in the Syllabus and Course Information module that is located right here prior to being able to access this early entry assignment. Module 1 is the only module that has an adaptive release assignment. So after the Procedures page is the page with your discussion board assignment. This page is not in every module because you don't have a discussion board assignment for each week. In fact, only Module 1, 4, and 6 will contain a discussion board assignment. So here are the instructions for your discussion board assignment. After reading them and understanding what the assignment requires, click the link located either here or here, and you will be redirected to the discussion board forum where you can complete this assignment. Next is the page that contains the homework assignment. This area doesn't contain a direct link to the homework assignment. However, it provides you with instructions on what is required for this assignment, and it tells you how to access it. So after reading the instructions here, you'll notice at the top that it says for you to navigate to the Course Documents tab to the left. So I'm going to come to my course menu and click Course Documents. And you'll notice right here that you have a link for Cengage Now assignments and grades. And this link is what will take you to your homework assignment for each week. Let's go back to the module. After the homework page, you have the Learn Liberty Stossel videos. In these video clips, economists explain key ideas from a free market's perspective. Now you'll notice that as I'm viewing this page, there aren't any videos that are appearing. This is because the Firefox browser is blocking them. So in order to view these videos, I need to come to my browser at the top, and I'm going to click on the shield. Then I'm going to click Load Unsaved Script. And now once I go back to the Learning module, and click on the Liberty Stossel videos, I'm now able to view them. If for some reason you forget how to resolve this particular issue, there is a section in the Syllabus and Course Information module that you have to view that will address this issue as well. One additional thing that I want you to make note of is that in modules 4 and in 6, the Learn Liberty videos are combined with your discussion board, and that's because the discussion board questions come from the videos. So when you get to module 4 and 6, you'll have to watch your videos, and at the bottom of the page you'll see some discussion questions, and then you'll have those same links that we talked about previously that you'll access for your discussion board posting. Finally, we have the supplemental materials. As stated earlier, the information on the next few pages isn't required and doesn't count towards your grade. However, it is available if you need additional study resources. So first you have information pertaining to the pre-assessments, which are located in the Course Documents area under the Cengage Now Assignments and Grades. This is the same area where your weekly homework assignments are located. These pre-assessments can assist you in identifying which areas you need improvement in. In addition to having access to pre-assessments, there are also some post-assessments that you can take as well. Next, on the Supplemental Materials page, there are a variety of additional items that can be used to aid in your understanding of the content presented in this module. Finally, you have the practice questions. In this area, you will find a link to the 20 practice questions covering the topics found in each module. There isn't a time limit on this assessment, however, you are only allowed one attempt to complete these questions. To access the practice questions, you will need to either click the link here or here. A new page will then open. You will see some additional instructions, and once you are ready, click Begin. And these are the basic steps on how to navigate through the learning modules in this course.